So, let's try! Try nyo na din to. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Christine. So, for today's video, we are gonna try to make homemade fish balls. Wow! So, yes guys, don't forget to stay home and stay safe. So, dahil Ramadan at holiday din ngayon, we have a long weekend. So, most probably, syempre, lagi lang nasa bahay. So, staying home makes me wanna try things. So, let's try to do homemade fish balls. So, first we have to boil the fish fillet para lumambot siya at mabilis i-chop into mince. It takes about 10 minutes until the meat becomes white. Then we'll chop it into mince, or if you want to use a blender or food processor, depende po sa trip nyo. Ako kasi nag-practice ako mag-chop, kaya ito yung mas pinili ko. Prepare the bowl with the flour on it, mixed with cornstarch. Both are in 1 cups. For optional, you may put 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, which we did. So just mix it well until it becomes like this. Yung color orange niya is because of the paprika na nilagay namin. So just keep on mixing. Next is put the fresh minced garlic, 3 cloves of garlic yan. Then 1 piece of chopped onion. And then naglagay din kami ng spring onion. You can put as much as you want. And then mix it again to combine everything. Of course, salt and pepper. And then we mix again. Next is yung pinakuluan ng fish. Ilalagay din natin to make it tastier instead of water. Mix thoroughly. We have to wait until it becomes sticky. And then after, store it in a fridge to make the texture better. Pero kami, hindi na kami nakapaghintay. Kaya niluto namin agad. So medyo nahihirapan akong gawin yung bilog. Kasi nga hindi namin siya nilagay sa fridge. And then there you go. Let's fry it. So medyo hindi maganda yung pagka-form niya since hindi nga namin siya nilagay sa fridge. Basta yung importante is hindi sila tabi-tabi kapag pinilito. Kailangan din nila ng social distancing para maganda yung kalabasan niya, tsaka mas maluto talaga siya. And yes, most of us loves fish balls. You just have to try this easy homemade fish balls recipe. So what are we waiting for? Tara na guys, let's eat!
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you.
So there you go, homemade fishball. Kung na-miss ko talaga yung fishball dati, alam mo yung fishball na parang 25 cents lang, yung batang 90s lang yung nakakaget sa akin. Kasi ngayon, syempre, yung mga fishball is mga improvised na. So, try namin gawin yun kasi sobrang na-miss namin yung lasa. So, homemade fishball. Try it. I'm gonna try another one. So, depende sa sauce nyo kung anong gusto nyo dip. Pwede kayong gumawa ng suka or anything, or ketchup. Depende sa panlasa nyo. So, try nyo gawin yung homemade fishball. Napakasarap. Ang sarap. So, guys, thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified of my next videos. Thank you for watching.
You have for takeaway. You have for takeaway.